Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the 39th Selenium WebDriver tutorial. Again, my name is Abhilash, and in this tutorial we will continue with the implementation of how we can handle the new tabs in our Firefox browser instance. So basically in the previous tutorial we have seen what we have done is we have clicked on the menu, that is tabs, and we have retrieved the parent tab, that is using the get window handle. We have stored the instance of the parent tab in the string data type, that is parent, and we have clicked on the link that is provided on the page that opens using this link, and that particular link opens a new page, that is the login page, in a new tab. So basically right now we have this new tab that is opened, and this login page that is open in the second tab, that is a child tab. So what we are going to do is right now the driver instance is pointing to the parent tab, and we are supposed to switch to the child tab, that is the second tab, before we can do anything on this particular web page. So for testing purpose, what we are going to do is we are going to provide a sleep of say 3 seconds, so that there's a smooth transition from one tab to the other tab, that is the parent tab to the child tab, so that it also confirms that the child tab is opened after clicking on this link. So basically it's just for testing purpose. What we are going to do is provide the 3-second delay, and the next thing that we are supposed to do is switch to the child element. So what we'll do is again we have a statement called as for in Java, which is used for basically the it's a looping statement. So it loops from start to the end of one particular variable. So the format, that is one of the formats that we can use in this for statement in Java, is provide the data type, that is the variable that we are going to use. So let's name it as child, since we are going to iterate through the child tabs. And after the colon we have something which will provide the data from the start to the end. So in this case what we'll do is driver dot get window. So as I have explained in the previous tutorial, we have these two methods. So what we are going to do is we are going to use the second method, which will return all the tabs that are opened in the Firefox browser instance. So basically this is going to return all the tabs, and one by one it is going to assign to the child, that is of string data type. So we can make use of this child variable and switch to one particular tab that is opened. So this is the format that we can use in Java, that is using the for statement in order to iterate through one of the variables, and inside the curly brackets our code will be included. So basically this will get the child. Now it will this method will return all the tabs. So basically we will also get the parent tab along with the child tab. So what we exactly want to do is switch to that particular child tab. So what we'll do is there's a method that we have used previously, that is switch to, in order to switch to one particular alert or confirmation, but we have one more method inside this, that is window. So basically this driver dot switch to dot window, which takes the string data as the parameter, is going to switch to one particular tab. So basically what we can do is switch to child. Alright, so basically in this for statement we will include this statement, that is driver.switch2.window.child, and this will ultimately switch to the last child tab that is opened. But in this case, since we have only two tabs that are opened, so it will switch to the second tab, which is the last tab in this case. And after this for statement is executed, what we can do is using this statement we have successfully switched to that particular tab. And after switching to this child tab, what we can do is provide the username and password. So the ID is username, so let's quickly copy it. Find element by dot id, username, send keys. So you guys must be familiar about this method, which is used in order to provide some kind of data to the input box. So basically we are going to just provide the username in this case, so that in order to check whether the driver instance in this particular code is switching or is pointing to the child tab. So let's quickly save it and execute it. So what this will do is it will switch to the last child, that is the second child in this case, and provide the username. So after a time of 3 seconds, it was successfully switched to the login page, and our driver instance using the method, that is driver.switch2.window, again then providing the child using the child as a string data type. We have successfully switched to that particular tab of the Firefox browser and provided the required username, since it is pointing to the child tab. Alright, so this is the way we can make use of the switch to method along with the window method and provide the required string, that is the child tab, and switch to the required child tabs, and point the driver to that particular tab and provide the required information, or carry out the different automation testing as required on that particular web page. So basically that's it in this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will see how we can switch back to our parent tab from this child tab and close this child tab. So that's it in this tutorial. Catch you guys in next tutorial. Have a nice one.